Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we're diving into an important OBD trouble code that many car owners might encounter, P0175. If you've ever seen this code pop up in your car's diagnostic system, you're probably wondering what it means and what you can do about it. Well, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. P0175 essentially tells us that the mixture fuel is too rich on bank 2. What does that mean? Well, in simple terms, the engine is getting too much fuel and not enough air on that side. This can lead to a range of problems, like poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and even engine damage if left unresolved. Common causes of P0175. Number 1. Faulty oxygen sensor, OT sensor. A malfunctioning OT sensor can provide incorrect data to the engine control unit, ECU, causing it to add too much fuel to the engine. Inspect and replace the OT sensor, if they are damaged or faulty. Number 2. Fuel injectors, sticking or leaking. If a fuel injector is stuck open or leaking, it could introduce too much fuel into the combustion chamber. Clean the fuel injectors using a fuel injector cleaner, or replace them if they are faulty or leaking. Number 3. Fuel pressure regulator issue. A malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator could allow too much fuel to be delivered to the engine. If the fuel pressure regulator is faulty, replace it. Number 4. Dirty or clogged air filter. Insufficient airflow into the engine can cause a rich condition by disrupting the air-fuel mixture. Ensure the air filter is clean and replace it if necessary. Number 5. Faulty engine control unit, ECU. If the ECU itself is malfunctioning, it may incorrectly adjust fuel delivery. If all else fails, it may be worth having the ECU checked and replaced if faulty. While some of these fixes might be easy enough for dears, there are situations where it's best to seek professional help. If you've replaced parts like the oxygen sensors or cleaned the MAF sensor and the problem persists, it might be time to consult a mechanic to accurately diagnose and fix the issue. A mechanic will likely use an OBD scanner to check for any additional codes or symptoms and conduct further testing on the parts mentioned. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the P0175 code, what it means, what causes it, how to fix it, and when to get professional help. If you've dealt with this code before, let us know in the comments below what worked for you.